Hello children, good morning. Welcome to the online classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Tiruvai. I am Joyce, your maths teacher. I hope everyone is fine, right children? Yes.
Children, today we are going to revise the fifth lesson. Which is our fifth lesson? Yes, money. In this lesson, we have learned what is money and what is Indian money called, then how to count money, etc. So today, let us revise these things. Are you ready, children? Okay.
What is money? And why do we need money? Yes, we need money to buy things. And every country has its own notes and coins. That is called its currency. That is, the money of a particular country is called currency. Our Indian money is called rupees and paise. We use rupees and paise in the form of notes and coins. See children, this is a note. It is made up of paper, whereas this is a coin. It is made up of metal.
First, let us see the coins that we use in India. 50 paise coin, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin and 10 rupee coin. Next, let us see the notes that we use in India. See children, this is 1 rupee note and this is 5 rupee note, 10 rupees note, 20 rupees note, 100 rupees note, 500 rupees note, 200 rupees note and 2000 rupees note. Children, we have one more note, that is 50 rupees note. These are the notes and coins that we use in India.
Our Indian government has introduced a symbol for denoting rupees. See children, this is the symbol we use it for denoting rupees and the letter P is used for denoting paise. Children, we will write the symbol before the amount. Let us see one example. How do you read this? Yes, this is 1 rupee. Okay. One more. Tell me children, how do you read this? Yes, this is 10 rupees. Right? We can read this as rupees 1 and this rupees 10. Right children? Then how do you read this? 50p. What is the meaning of 50p? Yes, we know p is used for denoting paise. So we can read this 50 paise and this one rupees 10 and this rupee 1. Okay, this is the symbol used for denoting rupees. Tell me children, how can you read this? Yes, this is 100 paise. 100p means 100 paise, which is equal to 1 rupee. So we can write rupee 1 is equal to 100 paise. Rupees 1 is equal to 100 paise. We learn different notes and coins have different values and some notes and coins have the same value. Do you remember? See children, counting money is very important in our life. Did you observe that on each coin and currency note there is a number that shows its value? Let us see. Here you can see some coins. The first one, 50p. We know 50p means 50 paise. We learned the letter P is used for denoting paise and this is the symbol used for denoting rupee. So this is the coin of 50 paise. Here you can see the number 50. So the value of this coin is 50 paise. So let us write here 50 paise. Tell me what is the value of this coin? Yes, here you can see the number 1. So this is rupees 1 and this is rupees 2. This is rupees 5 and this is rupees 10. The value of this coin is rupees 10. Is it clear? Yes. We learn 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Do you remember? Yes, 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. See children, here you can see two 50 paise coin. Can you tell me the total amount? We have two 50 paise coin. We know the value of this coin is 50 paise. This also 50 paise. So let us add 50 paise plus 50 paise. What will you get? Yes, 50 plus 50. What is 50 plus 50? Let us add 50 plus 50. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 5, yes, 10. So 50 plus 50, we will get 100. That is 50 paise plus 50 paise, which is equal to 100 paise. We learn 100 paise is equal to rupees 1. So we can say that the total amount is rupees 1. That is 2 50 paise coins make 1 rupee. 2 50 paise coins make 1 rupee. Is it clear? Yes. In this way, you can count the money. Right, children? Yes. Children, let us solve some more examples. Here we can see two 1 rupee coin. We have to find out the total amount. We know the value of this coin is rupees 1. This also rupees 1. So let us add rupees 1 plus rupees 1. That's equal to 1 plus 1, 2. So we can say that the total amount is rupees 2. That is 2 1 rupee coins make 2 rupees. Right, children? Next, here we can see two 2 rupee coins and 1 1 rupee coin. Let us add this. That is 2 plus 2. What is 2 plus 2? Yes, it is 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So the total amount is rupees 5. So let us write here rupees 5. Is it clear, children? The last one. Here we can see 5 1 rupee coins. What is the total amount? 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So the answer is 5. That is, when we add 5 1 rupee coins, the total amount is 5 rupees. So let us write here rupees 5. Is it clear, children? Yes. That is 2 2 rupees coin and a 1 rupee coin makes 5 rupees, and also 5 1 rupee coins make 5 rupees. Then 2 1 rupee coin makes rupees 2. Now we learn how to count the coins. Similarly, we can add the notes also. Children, let us see how to count the notes. See, here we have a 10 rupee note and a 20 rupee note. Tell me, what is the value of this note? Yes, here you can see the number 10. So, the value of this note is rupees 10. And the value of this note is rupees 20. Then we will add this amount, that is 10 plus 20. What is 10 plus 20? Let us see. 10 plus 20. 0 plus 0, we know, that is 0. 1 plus 2, yes, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So the amount is 30. That is rupees 10 plus rupees 20 is equal to rupees 30. Is it clear, children? Yes. Let us do one more example. Here we can see 3 notes. That is 2 20 rupees notes and 1 10 rupee note. Let us count the money. So tell me, what is the value of this note? Yes, it is rupees 20. Here also the value is rupees 20. Then the value of this note is rupees 10. So let us add rupees 20 and rupees 10. Tell me, children, what is 20 plus 20? Yes, 20 plus 20. Let us check. 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 2, 4. That is 20 plus 20 is equal to 40. Then let us add 10 with 40. 40 plus 10 is equal to 50. So the amount is 50 rupees. So let us write here 50 rupees. That is 2 20 rupees note and one 10 rupees note make 50 rupees. In this way, we can add the money. Is it clear, children? Yes.
I hope you have understood today's class. Today we have revised the lesson money. See children, I have attached one test paper along with this video. So all of you attend the test paper and send it. Study well and practice well. See you in the next class. Till then, bye.